Hi, it's Greg with OuttaSight Window Tint and Wrap. We're here today to talk about paint protection film and its benefits. We're installing paint protection film on this 2020 Dodge Ram. We are covering a lot of areas that are prone to get rock chips, bug chips, anything like that. We're covering the hood, the bumper, the grill, basically just giving it the works. So to tell you a little bit about paint protection, these are computer cut patterns that we make here in-house. The Lumar paint protection film has self-healing properties. For example, we have a demo here at our shop. We use a wire brush. We scar it and then we can heat it out. So basically what we would do is we would use the heat gun to represent the sun's heat to clear up the scratches. So why do we do this? The guy that is really particular about his vehicle, he wants it to keep it original. He's the guy that wants this. The guy that doesn't want to have to repaint his bumper a year or two later, that travels a lot. About 5 years ago, I did a small, what we call bikini hood kit on a Nissan Maxima. The customer, he was traveling, a rock flew up, hit the front hood, knocked a chunk in the paint protection film, but it didn't go through it. So we were able to reinstall a new piece for him, and he never knew it happened. So paint protection film is very beneficial in a number of ways. We can keep the rocks from damaging the front of your vehicle, the bugs from damaging the front of your vehicle, and we can preserve your vehicle so it holds resale value. You can take paint protection film off years later and it's like new underneath. So if you're interested in paint protection film for your car, give us a call today.